Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. All right. I've got another unboxing. Yes, but I was super duper confused because this showed up today and I was like, okay, it's a pink box. So surprisingly enough, I still never got my Ipsy Glam Bag X. I know. And I thought that came in a purple box. So I was like, okay, maybe this was my replacement Ipsy Glam Bag X. But then I remembered that my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was supposed to be coming today. So I don't know. Y'all, I was super duper flippin' confused. And I opened this up and it's my Glam Bag Plus. Okay, here's the bag. And I feel like there's a card in here. Here's the design of the bag. And actually, so I'm not a huge fan of the design this month. I guess it's kind of cute, but the quality feels better than previous months. It's double lined, so instead of one layer of cloth, there's 2 layers. So it definitely feels thicker and actually better quality, which I'm okay with. I think it's nice. But on the inside of the bag, right there, it says confidence comes, what is that, from within? That's really cute. But anyway, so, meh. Whatever. We do get a card, but as you know, with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we do not get any product description or information on our cards. But the theme this month for March 2021 is Stronger Together. That I think is super cute. I like that theme. Now I did get one add-on and I was really excited to see these. Jeannie got me hooked on these. These are makeup remover cloths, like the makeup erasers, but it's from the Vintage Cosmetics brand. And I think I picked these up for like $4 or $6 for a set of 3 of them. And yeah, like I said, Jeannie had sent me a one of these a while back in one of the goodie boxes she had sent me. And y'all, I fell in love with these. These are an awesome size. Wash them first and they work great. They take all your makeup off. I've never used the cleansing wipes without an actual cleanser, so that kind of doesn't really matter to me because I always use a cleanser either way. But I do love these, and these are super duper affordable. That is my one add-on I got with this box. Now, moving on to the goodies. I did get an It Cosmetics, this is a Complexion brush, foundation brush, I guess. It's Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. Okay, so you're supposed to be able to use this with everything from skincare to foundation to everything. And in addition to that, it's supposed to have anti-aging properties. And it's supposed to make your skin instantly look smoother. And it's got collagen infused in the bristles. It retails for $48 for this one brush. So Mama is definitely going to put this baby to the test and try it. I am definitely curious to see if it's really going to make that big of a difference. Now, I feel like I've gotten this brush before. I don't know. Anyway, I mean, it feels soft. It's softer than I thought. I thought it was going to have a little more density to it, but that's okay. It still feels like it's going to work good. My hand skin doesn't look any different. Anyway, $48 It Cosmetics brush. Okay, next I've got by Koa, K-O-A, Koa Life. It's a vitamin C brightening cleanser. This I'm actually really excited to try. I love vitamin C things. Oh, this is cool. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be like a foam. You know how like pumps like this have that foam stuff to it? It retails for $30. Let's see if it's gonna... Yeah, it's gonna foam. Watch. Yes. Oh, cool. Hopefully this works good because... Oh, it's creamier than I thought it was going to be. Oh, you can smell that citrus in it. Oh, you can't really see. But yeah, that feels good. Oh, I like the smell too. Alrighty, $30 cleanser. I'm definitely going to try that, and I will let y'all know. Next, I've got by Haus Laboratories. This is the Lady Gaga brand, right? This is a lipstick in the color Burlesque. Now, I was a little hesitant on this one because this is a really, really bright red. It retails for $20, but, oh my gosh, y'all, look at the packaging. That's super pretty. It said sparkle. So, the second I saw sparkle, I had to choose this because Mama loves sparkle. Okay, here it is. Can we see the sparkles? I know I can see it. Is there a cool design in this? Y'all, this is really cool. Can you see the stripes? Yeah, look at the stripe design on the actual lipstick. That's so pretty. Okay. I can see the sparkles, hopefully. Okay, it's got a definite shimmer to it. It said sparkle lipstick. Here is, can you see? Yeah, can you see the little shimmer in there? It's not as sparkly as I thought it was going to be, but that's okay. I can use my makeup wipe and my vitamin C cleanser to get this off. Okay, next is Air Repair Skincare Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. This retails for $23. I'm not over the moon excited about this. I will try it though. I have other moisturizers that I'm kind of hooked on. And then last but not least is by MOTD. Modded. This is their cosmetics, or MOTD Cosmetics. It's a blending eye brush set, and it retails for $58, which is super pricey. I was actually super excited about getting this because it's supposed to be mostly blending brushes. And that got me really excited. So initially they feel okay. I actually really like the color. They're a little shorter than I like. But, okay. So we've got like an angled, yeah. So there's technically only 2 real blending brushes. And then like this baby one. This one here is flat. It flattens out. And then this one is angled. But here's the bigger blending brush. Okay, that feels like it's going to work okay. It's got a good density to it. It definitely feels like I'd have, pretty good control, and it's going to blend out the shadows pretty good. Here's that smaller blending brush. Yeah, that's going to work really good. Okay, so, I mean, is it a $58 brush set? I don't know. But they don't feel cheap. So that's good. I'm really happy about that. I'll definitely use them. I feel like they're decent. So, okay. So what did we think of the March 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? I do get another one of these because I do have 2 profiles set up with 2 different ages and, different profile questions and answers and stuff. So I get different choices on my products. So I will have another one of these coming. And then my regular Glam bag, the 2 that I get for that one, I do a side-by-side unboxing. So definitely stay tuned for those. Now, this box. The total value on this box, not including my add-on. So this total value is $179. And again, that does not include my add-on. So I feel like it definitely was a good value. I am really happy with everything I got. I think the only thing I'm on the fence about is the moisturizer. And the only reason, I'm not saying it's a bad moisturizer. I'm just saying this kind of is not something I'm just excited about. But other than that, everything else was really good. What did you think? Did you get your Glam Bag Plus yet? I mean, not bad for $25. Definitely. So that is it. Thank you guys, as always, for coming to hang out with me during another one of my unboxing videos. I do appreciate it so much. And if by chance you are new here and you like all things beauty, skincare, mature beauty, and of course unboxings, because gosh knows I do a heck of a lot of those, I would love it if you would smash that subscribe button and also the notification bell, and come back again, hang out with me real soon. All right, guys, that's it. Love you bunches. Mwah. Thank you again. I will talk to y'all soon and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.